welcome to Ecler. We are showing the new ecosystem PLEX, our new matrix system, our new integrated system, where we can choose, is it an audio matrix, we can integrate video, we can integrate control as well. So just showing as an overview the web interface of the host processor. It's called VIVO. And this VIVO does have 8 analog inputs, 8 analog outputs, plus 8 Dante I/O, and it is expandable with another 8 I/Os with up to a maximum of 24 analog inputs and outputs. We can host more than one project on one host machine. So in this stage, we are running 8 projects at the same time on one hardware. Even if we only have 16 inputs and outputs on this device, we are also able to open a really big project where we can say, okay, 38 to 32 inputs and outputs, that's no problem. As a standard matrix system, you are able to feed an input to an output. That's nothing really new. But if you look into an input, you are able to add your DSP blocks, whatever you want. You can put it in and say, okay, I want to have 40 band EQ, add another one, maybe 10 band EQ, add another one with a compressor, whatever you want, and you will see, even with a matrix in a size of more than 30 input and 30 output, we only have a DSP load of less than 20%. That's not all. We also have the possibility to create panels as user panels. However they should look like, you're able to do it in any way, and you can deploy it to one of our touch screens, and this touch screen is acting directly online on the matrix. In a 10-inch version, as well as in a 6-inch version, or even in the smallest one, it's with 4-inch. This system is complete remote controllable. It is based in a cloud, so you can use our EclerCLOUD to reach the whole matrix system as well as the new VIDA amplifier. Take a look on the new PLEX ecosystem.